Okay, this is the time for another unboxing video, and we have received this box and I'm going to open it now. Let's do this. Okay, let's open it. Lots of bubbles, bubble wraps. So it must be something fragile. Lots of bubbly things. Oh, look at this. A lot of other bubbles. A box. Let me put this at the box, big box, and see what is this inside this black box. Okay, there is a barcode and there is a writing on the barcode. 3.5mm 70 degrees, 1.25 inch to 2 inch, 8 element wide angle eyepiece. Oh, that's the eyepiece. So it's one of the biggest 3.5 eyepieces I may have. Oh, nice to pack. Look at the strong box. And another bubble wrap inside here. How can I open this? Oh, it's like a pouch. Oof, a whopper, heavy. I have to bring the balance to measure the weight. So let me open it. Okay, I have rolled it out of the box. This is a little bag. Probably we can keep. This is the eyepiece. Again, inside another resealable bag. Let me open this one also. Okay, I've opened the seal. Now I remove this. Put it inside the bag. And now I'm holding the, oh, look at that, that's a magnificent eyepiece. This is a big eyepiece. Let me remove the lens caps. Ooh, look at the large eye lens. Let me remove the lower part. Ooh, wow. Quite tight view here. Let me use a camera flash just to see what is inside. Okay, as you can see, there is a Barlow Smythe lens inside. There is a screw that you can actually attach it to the eyepiece holder if you're using it with a 1.25 inch. The eye lens is quite big. And I suspect that this must be able to come up as a eye guard. I have to twist it over. Yes, I twisted it. It comes around half a centimeter or near 1 centimeter, 8mm up. It gives you a good protection from the stray lights in the surrounding environments. I wonder, should I try it? It's very windy outside. I have the other versions of this, so just have a look. And first I will bring the digital scale and measure the weight. Okay, this is the digital scale. The unit is in the gram. I'm now putting this over the scale. Okay, the weight it shows is 693 grams. If I put the caps, let me see what's the difference in weight. Okay, 702 grams. And if I change the unit, I'll show you how much is in the ounce. 24 ounce 75. That's around 25 ounce. So quite heavy eyepiece. Okay, closest eyepiece that I have to this 3.5mm fully multi-coated 70 degrees SkyWatcher SWA eyepiece is this super wide angle planetary TMB Planetary II 3.2mm eyepiece, TMB Optical Planetary II eyepiece. So I measured the weight of this after showing you how it looks. The same very tiny field of view. I think this one is 62 degrees actually, if I'm not wrong. Somewhere must be written, but anyway, this is the eyepiece and I'm putting it on the, so 158 grams, and with the both caps on, that will weight 160 grams. So you know, how much is in the ounce? 5.95, that is around 6 ounces, so quite 1/4, 1/4 of the weight of that. So now I'm going to make a direct comparison between the sizes of these two eyepieces. As you can see, this one is almost half the size of that, and the weight-wise, it's 1/4 of the weight. The lens, eye lens part in this one probably is around 1/3 bigger than this. Is it 1/3 correct? Yeah, or probably double the size. 1/3, I think. The camera can be deceptive. I can confirm that it's around 1/3 bigger. And now I'm going to use them on a view actually, just to see how they look on the actual telescope viewing an object in the daylight. Okay, as a finder of the eyepiece, I'm using this Celestron 30mm Ultima series. Quite old eyepiece, but very good quality. And I'll put it inside the focuser draw tube. Okay, I will find the object and then we go and look at it. Okay, I'm observing with the SkyWatcher Pro Series ATED apochromatic telescope, and this is the eyepiece, and now we go to observe. This is the object we are looking at. To replace this 30mm Ultima series Celestron eyepiece with the TMB Planetary 3.2mm, a sharp decrease in the focal length and magnification increase also significantly. This is the 3.2mm TMB Planetary II, and now I'm going to observe. The wind is blowing the fruits. .2mm SkyWatch super wide angle TMB Optical Planetary II. I'm going to 3.5mm super wide angle SWA SkyWatcher 70 degrees. This is 62 degrees wide view, and this is the 70 degrees. So I will change it, but we'll put it in the 2-inch focuser. Putting it in the 2-inch focuser, I have to remove this screw. Okay, I will do it now. Okay, I have now removed the screw and it can fit into the 2-inch focuser. Quite heavy, so I have to readjust the balance of the telescope. The eyepiece neatly sits in the 2-inch focuser, and I'm going now to show you how it looks. As you can see, the image looks brighter. The colors are more vibrant. Is it? I think the view is exceptionally good. think this is a good eyepiece. Seriously. Okay, in a comparison between these two eyepieces, I think that I prefer the SkyWatcher 3.5mm one, 70 degrees field of view. This one is also good. I never use it much because of the restrictions that you could see. And now I think probably I found something that I can actually use more. So, which one is best? I think the eyepiece to the right is the better one. And this is the light condition at this time that I was making this one.